Today, I'll show you how to create a TradingView account. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. TradingView offers a free sign-up option, and its pricing page says the free plan does not require a credit card. TradingView also says your public username is chosen during sign-up and can only be changed once afterward, so it's a good idea to pick that name carefully from the start. To get started, open the official TradingView website and click Sign Up. TradingView's homepage and pricing page both show the sign up option clearly, and the platform says it's free to create an account. Now choose how you want to register. TradingView's account creation help says you'll choose your public username during sign up, and TradingView's sign up flow supports creating an account directly on the platform. Once you enter your details and create the account, continue through the registration steps on the screen. At this stage, make sure you choose your username carefully. TradingView's Help Center specifically says your public username can only be changed one time after registration. That matters because this is the name other users may see in the TradingView community. After your account is created, sign in and start exploring the platform. TradingView says its service includes charts, market tracking, and community features, and its pricing page lists web, desktop, and mobile access across plans, including the free level. If you're ever unsure whether you're on the real website, use TradingView's official site or official support pages only. That's especially important because fake trading platform downloads and fake app pages do exist online, so it's safest to start from TradingView's official homepage. So, in simple terms, go to the official TradingView website, click Sign Up, create your account, choose your username carefully, and finish the registration steps. After that, you're ready to start using TradingView. And that's how to create a TradingView account. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.